My name is Casey Rodriguez, and I am a corporate trainer for Momentum Enterprises in Lodi, California.
My name is Vincent, and I'm a client rep.
My name is George Hernandez. I happen to be a corporate trainer at Momentum Enterprise located out of Stockton, California.
It's been a great privilege for me to see that I'm part of something bigger, and it's been a real eye-opener.
It's definitely an amazing experience. I feel like I'm not the only crazy person to understand the opportunity that is coming towards me, and I'm very appreciative.
You know, it's been a great experience. I got to meet a bunch of mentors, a lot of people who are giving you really the tools on how to get to the next level, and seeing so many different knowledgeable people on the same path you are is really, really inspiring. There's so many people on this track, you know, that are going to help you develop into the person you want to become. You know, giving others the opportunity and really seeing this as helping other individuals grow, that'll really help you grow.